What games help language development? Are you curious about how games can boost language skills in young children? Let's take a look at some fun and effective games that can support early childhood language development. For teachers, using games in the classroom can make learning enjoyable while promoting essential language skills. First up, phonemic awareness is key for young learners. Rhyming games are a fantastic way to help children recognize sound patterns. You can ask them to think of words that rhyme with cat or dog. This simple activity encourages them to play with sounds and develop their phonological skills. Another engaging game is rubber band words. Here, you stretch out the sounds in a word, like saying gate as G-A-T-E, while mimicking the stretching motion. This helps children hear and segment individual sounds, which is foundational for reading and spelling. Next, let's talk about vocabulary and sentence building. A fun activity is a treasure hunt. Hide toys in a box or sandbox and have children find them. As they discover each item, encourage them to name and describe it in sentences. This promotes vocabulary expansion and grammar practice. Show and tell is another great option. Children bring an object from home and talk about it, which boosts their expressive language and confidence in speaking. Storytelling is another important aspect of language development. You can play Build a Story, where you start a story and each child adds a sentence. This encourages creativity and sequencing. Using picture cards can make this even more engaging. Another classic is Play Telephone. Children whisper a message to each other, which builds listening skills and oral language clarity. Reading and listening activities are also vital. Regularly reading aloud to children, whether it's picture books or simple chapter books, builds vocabulary and comprehension. Even letting them handle books independently supports language development. Nursery rhymes and finger plays are excellent for teaching rhythm and sentence structure through repetition. For interactive and movement-based language games, consider Kick the Letter Cup. Write letters on cups and have children kick a ball to knock them down while naming the letters. This combines physical activity with language learning. Color sorting letters is another fun game where children match letter stickers to colors on a rainbow chart, helping with letter recognition and color naming. For older children, board and word games like Blurt can be exciting. In this fast-paced game, players guess words from definitions, enhancing vocabulary and listening comprehension. Incorporating these games into your teaching can create a structured yet playful environment that supports language development. They can be adapted for different ages and language levels, making them versatile tools in early childhood classrooms. Regularly integrating these activities encourages children to practice language in meaningful ways, which is essential for effective language acquisition.